Astro Excel chart for December 16th to the 20th. What we have here, we start the week out with a green line from Sunday all the way through Wednesday, down below zero, contained in the 0 to -10 area down here. Then late on Wednesday evening, around 8 p.m. at night, the green line starts to move up, moves up all the way through Thursday, and stays above zero, between the 0 and +10 area, all the way through Friday. So what we want to do is look at when the blue line is moving favorably in the direction of what the green line indicates. And what I've done here, I've marked those periods with the red arrows where the blue line is tracking the same direction as the green line. The green line here, and I'm only looking at the more active periods. That's why I didn't mark Monday as the downtrend on the blue line was out of the major trading period of the day session. But on Tuesday, the blue line is moving down from right here about 5 a.m. until noon on Tuesday. On that same day, we had another spike period down from 2 o'clock to after the close. Then you can see I also have the blue arrow. And what the blue arrow is showing is the from the rainbow chart, the Vedic rainbow ribbon, we have a trend segment that is downward, which is in sync with that same Astro Excel indication. And this one on Tuesday starts around 9 a.m. and goes to about 12:30. So that's where we have a good sync where everything is pointing in a downward direction. Then on Wednesday, we've got a similar situation where we've got the blue line tracking downward, and then the Vedic trend indication is also down in that same period. And that's going to go from about 7 a.m. till about 11, where the segment ends, where the blue line continues all the way down to the close. Then on Thursday, we have this upward trend. The blue line confirms the green line here. From late Wednesday evening into Thursday morning, we don't have a trend match on the Vedic on that day or on Friday. Friday, we have a good move up on the blue line here that starts around 8 a.m. and goes up to 2 to 3 in the afternoon. Right there. There's no confirming Vedic trend on Friday there either, though. So anyhow, just to give an example of how I would look to use these together. So I just look at, first of all, the blue line syncing to the green line, and then I look for the Vedic trend pressure to see if there's confirmation from there. And then that's usually how I would look at that if I'm trying to identify where the better trend moves may come.